Hello to my channel Chinese Star. Today we will bring you the following hot and exciting news.
Xiao Zhan is back. The new endorsement The Wolf is revealed to be broadcast next week, and the popularity list has reached 7 consecutive championships. Xiao Zhan, this name represents youth and vitality in the hearts of many people, but since the 227 incident, he seems to have faded out of the public eye. However, on the evening of May 10 this year, he returned in a special way, that is, to participate in public welfare live broadcasts to help Hubei resume work and production. This is not only his first attempt at live broadcasting, but also his contribution to society with his influence. That night, Xiao Zhan appeared in the live broadcast room wearing a white shirt, simple but graceful. He looked a little nervous. After all, this was his first time to participate in such an event, but at the same time, his face was filled with honor and expectation. He knew that his action this time was not only to sell products, but also to support the people of Hubei who were hit hard by the epidemic. In the live broadcast, Xiao Zhan recommended a variety of Hubei specialties, including crayfish, navel oranges, duck necks and hot dry noodles. He not only introduced the characteristics of these products in detail, but also shared his love for these delicacies. His performance was cordial and sincere, making the audience feel his attention and investment in this charity event. The atmosphere in the live broadcast room was very warm, and the enthusiasm of the fans almost paralyzed the live broadcast platform. In just 2 hours, all the products recommended by Xiao Zhan in Yazan's store were sold out, achieving a communication efficient of more than 3 million people, and the total transaction volume exceeded 1.5 million yuan. Such achievements not only prove Xiao Zhan's popularity, but also show everyone's support and enthusiasm for charity activities. Xiao Zhan also mentioned in the live broadcast that this was his first time to participate in a charity live broadcast support event, and he felt very honored. He hopes that through his efforts, he can contribute to the resumption of work and production in Hubei. His words revealed a sense of responsibility and mission, which made people like his intentions. In this charity live broadcast, Xiao Zhan not only supported Hubei with his own actions, but also led by example to guide fans to participate in charity activities. His performance made people see the positive energy and social responsibility of an idol. As he said in the live broadcast, he hopes that through this event, more people will pay attention to Hubei, support Hubei, and cheer for Hubei's recovery and development. Xiao Zhan's charity live broadcast this time is undoubtedly a successful attempt. He used his influence to inject new vitality into Hubei's resumption of work and production. At the same time, he also demonstrated the social responsibility that a public figure should have. In this special period, Xiao Zhan's actions undoubtedly brought warmth and hope to people. Xiao Zhan, as a popular young idol, his influence is self-evident. But unlike many stars, while enjoying the love of fans, Xiao Zhan also called on everyone to rationally chase stars and maintain their own selves, which is rare in the entertainment industry. Just after the end of that significant charity live broadcast, Xiao Zhan did not stop there. He made a statement on social media, revealing his concern for fans and his social responsibility between the lines. He wrote, "Dear fans, I am very grateful for your support and love for me, but I also want to remind everyone to put your personal life, study and work before chasing stars. Each of us has our own life trajectory, and chasing stars should not affect these." Xiao Zhan's words are undoubtedly a reminder to those fans who are too fanatical and even engage in inappropriate cheering behavior in some public education venues. He does not want fans to ignore more important things in their lives because of star chasing, nor does he want fans to affect others because of excessive star chasing. He further emphasized, "I don't need support, I hope to see everyone live their own lives and realize their dreams." Such words are simple and profound, not only expressing his love for fans, but also reflecting his expectations for the growth of fans. Xiao Zhan's move may be a response to CCTV.com's initiative on improper support behavior in public education venues. In today's society, some fan star-chasing behavior is indeed radical, and even affects public order and the normal life of others. Xiao Zhan uses his influence to call on everyone to chase stars rationally, which is undoubtedly a positive guidance for fans and a positive contribution to society. Xiao Zhan's attitude has been recognized by many fans and netizens. They have said that they will follow Xiao Zhan's advice, chase stars rationally, and not let star chasing affect their lives. At the same time, some fans also said that they will pay more attention to Xiao Zhan's works and positive energy, rather than blindly pursuing superficial excitement. Xiao Zhan's call is not only a reminder to fans, but also a revelation to the whole society. In this era of information explosion and entertainment supremacy, we need more public figures like Xiao Zhan to use their influence to guide everyone, spread positive energy, and promote the harmonious development of society. Let us look forward to Xiao Zhan and his fans going further and further on this road and creating a better future together. Xiao Zhan, this name always stirs up a wave in the hearts of fans. Since that far-reaching charity live broadcast, Xiao Zhan has not stopped, but has devoted himself to new work with greater enthusiasm. Now, the craze for live broadcasts has not completely dissipated, and Xiao Zhan has brought double good news to fans. Not only has he officially announced a new endorsement, but the TV series The Wolf starring him will also meet with everyone soon. As soon as the news of the new endorsement was announced, it sparked heated discussions among fans. Xiao Zhan's endorsements are always anticipated, because the brands he chooses always complement his image, which can not only show his personal charm, but also let fans feel his intentions. This new endorsement is no exception. It not only represents the further recognition of Xiao Zhan's commercial value, but also allows fans to see his multifaceted possibilities. What makes fans even more excited is the news of the release date of the TV series The Wolf. This drama has attracted much attention since its filming, and Xiao Zhan's performance in the drama has been long awaited. The Wolf has attracted the attention of a large number of viewers with its unique story background and profound character creation. The role played by Xiao Zhan in the play is different from his previous screen image in terms of both appearance and personality, which undoubtedly increases the mystery of the character and the curiosity of the audience. Judging from the information currently revealed, the production team of The Wolf is very strong. From the director to the cast, they are all leaders in the industry. The chemical reaction between Xiao Zhan and other leading actors is also full of expectations. The play not only contains affectionate sadomasochism, but also complex power struggles, all of which will unfold one by one in the play, bringing the audience a visual and emotional feast. Fans have shown great enthusiasm for Xiao Zhan's new endorsement and the launch of The Wolf. On social media, fans' discussions and expectations can be seen everywhere. They have expressed that they will fully support Xiao Zhan's endorsement and new drama, because this is not only a love for Xiao Zhan, but also a recognition of his efforts and talents. This wave of operations by Xiao Zhan has undoubtedly pushed him to a new height. The double good news of the new endorsement and the new drama not only makes fans excited, but also allows more people to see Xiao Zhan's potential and influence. In this entertainment industry full of variables, Xiao Zhan uses his own strength and hard work to constantly refresh people's perception of him and expand his career territory. With the official announcement of the new endorsement and the launch of The Wolf approaching, Xiao Zhan's fans have begun to take action. They are ready to cheer for Xiao Zhan's new journey in their own way. Whether buying endorsement products or waiting in front of the TV for the new drama to be aired, the enthusiasm and support of fans will become Xiao Zhan's most solid backing. Let us look forward to Xiao Zhan bringing us more surprises and touches in the new endorsement in The Wolf. Xiao Zhan, this name is very popular in the film and television industry. Since he became popular with The Untamed, he has been unstoppable and has received constant invitations for various film and television works. At present, Xiao Zhan's projects on hand include Dalua Continent starring with Wu Zuanyi and Please Give Me More Advice for the Rest of My Life co-starring with Yang Zi. Both works are highly anticipated, and fans are full of curiosity and expectations about Xiao Zhan's performance. Dalua Continent, as a drama adapted from the novel of the same name, itself has a huge fan base. The role played by Xiao Zhan in the play not only needs to show the growth and changes of the character, but also has enough attractive charm. Judging from the stills and trailers currently released, Xiao Zhan's performance is eye-catching. Whether it is the shape or the temperament, it fits the character and the original work very well. The Please Give Me More Advice for the Rest of My Life co-produced with Yang Zi is a modern urban drama that tells a warm and healing love story. The fresh combination of Xiao Zhan and Yang Zi has attracted the attention of many viewers from the beginning. The chemistry between the two in the play and how they interpret this affectionate story are full of curiosity. Not long ago, Xiao Zhan posted a post on social media calling on fans to chase stars rationally. This is not only his personal attitude, but also a kind of guidance for fans. Although Yang Zi's like was later cancelled, this behavior was screenshotted and saved by fans and became a hot topic. Some people think that this may be Yang Zi's expectation and support for the upcoming Please Give Me More Advice for the Rest of My Life, while others think that this may be just an unintentional slip of the hand. However, no matter what the real reason for Yang Zi's like, this incident has undoubtedly increased the attention of Please Give Me More Advice for the Rest of My Life. Fans are more looking forward to the cooperation between the two and are more impatient for the broadcast of the series. At the same time, this also reflects the influence of Xiao Zhan and Yang Zi as actors. Their every move can arouse public attention and discussion. Xiao Zhan's film and television works, whether they are costume dramas or modern dramas, have demonstrated his versatility and potential as an actor. Every attempt and breakthrough he makes allows people to see his growth and hard work. As a senior actor, Yang Zi's acting skills and works have always been recognized by the industry and the audience. The cooperation between the two is undoubtedly a strong combination, and people are looking forward to their wonderful performances in the play as the broadcast of Dalao Continent and Please Give Me More Advice for the Rest of My Life is approaching. Fans of Xiao Zhan and Yang Zi have begun to actively prepare, and they express their support and expectations for their idols in their own way. Whether it is discussions on social media or the publicity and promotion of the series, the enthusiasm and actions of fans have become an important driving force for the success of the series. Let us look forward to the surprises and touches that Xiao Zhan and Yang Zi will bring us in their new works. 20,212,324,252,627 Xiao Zhan, this name is well known in the entertainment industry. Even after a period of Loki, his commercial influence cannot be underestimated. Just like a bright star, even if the light is temporarily hidden, it still occupies a place in the night sky, ready to bloom again at any time. Take his new song Light Spot for example. The sales easily exceeded 100 million, which is not something that any artist can do. Behind this is the firm support of Xiao Zhan's huge fan base. They not only express their love for Xiao Zhan verbally, but also support their idol with real money and real actions. This support is undoubtedly the best proof of Xiao Zhan's commercial value. 30. Moreover, Xiao Zhan's fans cheered for him on multiple charts. Whether it was the music chart or the brand endorsement rankings, Xiao Zhan's name always ranked high. This phenomenon is enough to prove that he is still the top star that has attracted much attention. This enthusiasm and loyalty of fans is one of the important factors for Xiao Zhan's commercial success. 31. Let's talk about Xiao Zhan's endorsed products. Whether it is food, drink or daily use, as long as it is endorsed by Xiao Zhan, sales will always continue to grow. Take Budweiser Beer for example. Their support for Xiao Zhan can be said to be unremitting. Even when Xiao Zhan suffered from online violence, Budweiser also specially launched the planning words Budweiser, want you to be famous, which brought hope and strength to fans. 31. Xiao Zhan's commercial value is not only reflected in the short-term sales boost, but also in his far-reaching impact on the long-term value enhancement of the brand. His positive and sunny image is highly consistent with the positioning of many high-end brands, so that when brands choose him as a spokesperson, they can not only take advantage of his current high popularity, but also rely on his classic roles and works to establish a deep emotional connection with consumers. 32. Xiao Zhan's fan group, nicknamed Peter Pan, is highly organized and has strong purchasing power, which allows brands to see what the real fan economy is. Whether it is high-end luxury goods or daily consumer goods, as long as it is endorsed by Xiao Zhan, fans will choose to buy it without hesitation. 32. Xiao Zhan's commercial influence is a perfect combination of phenomenal traffic, highly acclaimed works and brand love. His value is not only reflected in the short-term sales boost, but also in his profound impact on the long-term value enhancement of the brand. In the future, we have reason to believe that Xiao Zhan will continue to ride a more brilliant business legend with his unique charm and unremitting efforts. 32. Xiao Zhan, a name that keeps moving forward in controversy and praise. Since his debut, his acting career has not been smooth sailing, but it is these ups and downs that have shaped the more mature and tenacious Xiao Zhan today. Although there are some controversies in his public image, Xiao Zhan did not choose to remain silent or escape. Instead, he proved his value and strength bit by bit through his actions and attitude.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to our support channel.